I recently had this car back on the rolling road, different place this time, mechanics, more local to me. Found a few issues, which timing and fueling quite far out apparently, which isn't ideal. Made a bit more power, 281 horsepower now, which is good. I've just got a bit of a stumble though as I'm setting off, and they think it could be the air bleeds, I think, on the throttle, the accelerator pump, these things basically. So I'm just, in typical me fashion, I thought I could record this after it started, so I just started taking the throttle assembly off and take the tops of the carbs off and change these bleeds out and see. It's just as you're setting off, or you give the throttle a squeeze, it just seems to bog down, and the AFR gauge indicates it's going lean. So we'll try some what are called double zeros, which are the bleeds that go inside the bowls for the accelerator pump. So we'll give that a go, see if it makes any difference. All the normal driving and everything's perfect, it's just a bit stuttery sometimes when you're just getting going, or you say you're pulling out of a junction. So I'm going to try and see if this will fix it. So that's what I'm after. So I'm going to take that out. So I'm just going to suck that fuel out of there. Why's that one out? Put the other one in. See how we get on. That's one in. Get the other one done now. Right, all back together. We'll turn the pump on and see if I've disturbed anything. Make sure all the float bowls fill up and don't flood. So let's do that. Silly me. Okay. Slight weeping there, so we'll give that a nip. Otherwise, hopefully okay. Right, that fuel pipe's nipped up. Ooh, that don't feel right. Throttle feels wrong. That was too tight. Let's try it again now. Like an idiot, didn't press record during the start up, but it's okay. It's fine. Seems alright. That was a bit tight, so it was binding when I was pressing the throttle. Checking for leaks now and then. Excellent. We'll see if that makes a difference.